Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to install the XAMPP server on your computer. Let's get started. At first, you need to download the application. For that, go to a browser and search XAMPP download. Then click the first link. You can choose different PHP versions. I am choosing the latest version. Click Download. Now, wait for the download to complete. As you can see, my download is completed. Now right-click on the exe file and click Run as administrator. Click Yes. Ignore the warning and click OK. Click Next. Keep everything as it is and click Next. I recommend you install at the default location. Anyway, click Next. Untick this and click Next. Now you can take a small break as this is going to take some time depending on your computer. Click Allow Access. Click Finish. Our XAMPP server is installed. Let's check. Yes, it's working. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.